Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
Sometimes I ask God, what have I done with my life to deserve a love like this? Alam mo yung lalaking could make anyone fall for him, pero he chose me. He loved me. And he is faithful to me. Ang dami-dami dyan. Ang tsatsaka ng muka, pero cheater. Panlait. Pero siya, may kay mga liwa, pero ni minsan di tumingin sa iba. He is a man of few words, pero kapag nagsalita siya ng about love, about how thankful he is for having you, you will melt. Kasi alam mong minsan lang yon at dama mo. I try my best to be as good as him, as he is to me. But sometimes, mapapahanga ka na lang talaga. A man that loves you enough to support you in everything you do. Fixes your things even without you asking. Lalaking kaya mong iwanan at payagan kahit saang pumunta. Kasi hindi pa nakakaalis, gusto niya nang umuwi sa'yo. Lalaking ibababa ang lahat ng ginagawa niya. Marinig lang lahat ng kwento mo. God, hindi ko alam kung anong tama akong nagawa. Pero kung hindi pa ito yung para sa akin, pwede bang ito na lang? I love to keep this love. I love this man for keeps. I am Alexa, and my man is for keeps. Yan nga yung sinasabi natin, my love. Hindi lahat ng lalaki kasi talaga vocal with what they feel. Hindi lahat ng lalaki expressive, affectionate, o kaya naman magarbo kapag nanliligaw pa lang or even in a relationship. Hindi lahat ng lalaki ma-post. May mga lalaki talaga na mukhang suplado, mukhang walang pakialam. Pero iba siya whenever he is with you. You'll feel like you are with this man. He is present in every moment that you need him in your life. He is there with you. Kapag meron kang hinaing o inilalabas na sama ng loob, he is there. Hindi siya yung nakikinig lang para ilabas sa kabilang tenga. Siya yung tipo ng taong kapag nakinig, dama mong nakikinig kasi nagre-react siya. May mga lalaki na hindi man sila masalita, pero once they do or when they do, you will feel like you are the luckiest girl in the world. Kasi sometimes you may feel like hindi ka na-appreciate, hindi ka niya nakikita, hindi siya thankful for everything that you are doing for him. But kapag dumadating yung moment na nagiging sentimental siya, nagiging emotional siya, binabanggit niya sa'yo how lucky he is for having you. Then you know that when he says, I love you, he meant it. You know it's true. Marami kasi ngayon nagsasabi ng I love you na parang lumalabas na lang siya sa ilong. Hindi na siya minimin. Parang chewing gum na lang. Parang candy. O, magsasabi ka sa kanya I love you. Sabi niya sa I love you. Yung parang reflex na siya. Parte na lang siya ng routine na kapag nag I love you sa'yo, mag I love you ka lang din para tapos na yung usapan. Pero, yung meaning it part, sometimes yun kasi yung nawawala. So if a man who is soft-spoken or a man of few words, nag-express sa'yo ng pagmamahal niya in words, you know na minimean niya every word dun sa mga sinasabi niya. You know that he is feeling it, that it's from within, it's from his heart. And those are the kind of guys that are for keeps. Yung mga taong hindi fasad lang yung pinapakita. Pinapakita sa inyo yung buo nilang pagkatao. So that meron kang choice, meron kang option if you'll stay, if you'll endure, if you'll take it, or you'll go. Mas gugustuhin ko na yung love kesa sa umpisa ang galing-galing, sa umpisa grabe ang sweet, nakakakilig, pero habang tumatagal, nawawala yung mga yun. Naglalaho ng parang bula yung mga traits na naging dahilan kung bakit ka nahulog sa kanya. Mas gugustuhin ko na yung isang tao na suplado man sa paningin ng nakararami. Pero pagdating sa'yo, marshmallow siya. Pagdating sa'yo, he is different. And that's a side of him that only you can see. Because he trusts you. He loves you. He is comfortable with you. And that's the kind of relationship, that's the kind of romance, and that's the kind of man that is for keeps. So kung ganyan yung jowa mo, my love, kung ganyan yung karelasyon mo, hindi man siya yung tipo ng lalaking ma-post on Facebook, ma-date, hindi man siya yung conventional or ideal type ng boyfriend. Pero kung tumatagal na kayo ng taon together, and as the relationship progress or as the relationship stays longer, the more it becomes stronger. Then that, my love, is something na gusto mong sabihin sa sarili mo na, God, ito na lang. Kung hindi pa po ito yon, kung hindi pa po ito yung binibigay nyo sa akin, kung hindi pa po ito yung nakasaad na nakatadhana sa akin, ito na lang. Kasi I'd rather have this than a fake, sweet love. I'd rather have this painful, honest, blunt, and with flow na kind of relationship, but true, than a fake, sweet love. So congrats, Alexa. You found your for keeps. And I hope na magtagal pa yung relationship ninyo. I-bless kayo so that, alam niyo yon, lahat ng abundance in life, makuha nyo, maramdaman nyo. At sana maging pamantayan kayo of what a relationship should look like. It's messy. It's imperfect. But it's real. Claro? Claro.